How to back up cpanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now basically you want to go ahead and open up your cpanel for your website, and once inside, you can just go ahead and scroll down and you want to navigate through this specific category right here called the files category. Now inside, you then want to look for the backup wizard, and from here we can then go ahead and select the backup option. This features allows you to download a compressed copy of all of your part of your website. You can just go ahead and click on the backup button, and from here you can then go ahead and select what type of backup do you want to execute. You have your full backup, home directory, the SQL database, and lastly the email forwarders and filters. If you want to back up all of your website, you can just go ahead and click on the full backup button right here and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.